Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. DIY number 1. For this I'm going to use one of this beautiful floral shadow box, and I love this beautiful pink roses with the green leaves everywhere, and that's actually the theme of all the projects today, pink and green. And I'm going to paint these shiny letters with acrylic white paint, and I also painted some chalk paint on top of it so the letters cover well. I went with 2 to 3 coats to get nice coverage, and I let it dry. And while it is getting dried, I'm going to decorate other pieces of the project, and this is actually wooden cutouts which says love, and they come in like 3 colors, red, pink, and the natural color. So I'm going to use pink, and I wanted to go with a green color, so I'm going to take one of this natural wood piece, and then I'm going to paint this beautiful lime sorbet paint with some mix of a white paint so I can get like nice pista green there. And I'm going to paint a couple of coats so I get exact color that I'm actually looking for. And I'm going to let it dry, and after it is dried, all the pieces are ready to be decorated. And I also have this beautiful pink berry string, and I'm going to take one whole strand to circle around this oval shape, and I'm taking dab of a hot glue, and I'm trying to attach the border of this oval, and I'm carefully sticking all around this painter surface. Now the berry string is all ready, so I'm going to stick the pink and the painted green heart in the center in an angle which makes me happy, and this is the angle I'm going with. There are two like on either side and one in the center. So what do you think? This is a good angle? I think I like it, so you have to let me know in the comment section. Now I have two of this pink mesh ribbon and green mesh ribbon, and I got the green one for Christmas time, and I'm going to use this because those are the two colors of the picture frame. And I'm taking a strip of this green and a larger piece of pink, so basically I'm bringing it all together, and I'm going to tie a knot just like you see in the picture. And after it is tied, I'm going to fluff it up a little bit, and this is one of the transparent meshy dainty bow that I wanted to place it on top of my sign. I'm trying to find where is the right spot, and I went with a corner. So this is how it looks after it is stuck, and I'm not still happy with the bow. It's not bright enough. Have this one more pink ribbon. I just created a bow like that. I'm bringing both the ends together in a cross shape and pinching the center, and I'm going to tie it with jute twine, and this is how it looks after it is ready. And I'm going to stick it in the center of the mesh bow just like that. And this is how it looks after it is all stuck, so you have to let me know what you think about it. This video will be part of Love Corner Collab, and this is hosted by CJ from CJ DIYs. 27 of us, and Miguel is also a special guest host over here. I'm extremely happy to be part of this huge playlist. I'll leave the link of this playlist in the description box, and each of the creators are going to say one special word, and you have to key in that. And there's a huge giveaway of $50 Amazon card and a lot of goodies. And the last date to enter is January 29th, 1 a.m. Eastern, and the drawing will happen Jan 30th. And you must be a US resident. And on to DIY number 2. For this one, I'm taking one of this wooden teddy bear from Dollar Tree, and it's actually a lantern. It lights up so beautiful and bright. And now I'm going to paint him with Art Mind pink chalk paint, and I'm going to give him like a couple of coats and turn him into a pink teddy bear here. And this is how he looks after he's painted. I'm going to let him dry well. Now I have this beautiful bulky heart, and it's actually a pink ornament, and I'm taking this ornament and making him hold that heart where he has already a wooden heart cut out. I'm going to just cover it with this bulky heart and stick it with a dab of a hot glue, and I'm going to give the heart a pink satin bow on top of it, just like that. And I made a bow with the dab of a hot glue, and I'm sticking it on top of it. And I thought like I should also give him some pearl berries on top of the bow, and I went with 4 of them, and I'm sticking it using dab of a hot glue. I want him to look prim and proper. Doesn't he look gorgeous? I'm just loving him. And I wanted to tone down the shine, and I'm dry brushing the heart with some chalk paint. And this is how it looks after it is all painted. And now I'm going to give him nice bow, and I'm obsessed with this pink mesh ribbon, so I'm taking a couple of pieces of it and pinching in the center, and I'm going to circle it with some of this pearl, and then going to attach with the dab of a hot glue and stick on top of his beautiful ear. And this is such a beautiful pink teddy bear, and the secret word that I'm going with is romantic pink. So please enter that in comment section to be into this giveaway. Isn't he cute? I'm just loving him. On to DIY number 3. For this, I'm going to take one of this wooden heart sign from Dollar Tree, and I also have this beautiful doilies, pink heart-shaped doilies. I'm thinking to use the back part of this wooden sign, so I'm just removing the plastic casing and also those beautiful flowers and also the tag, and I'm going to use the tag in the opposite direction. That's the direction I'm going to use basically. So for the background, I'm taking this chalk paint and I'm covering the whole back with this white chalk paint, and I'm going to give like 1 or 2 coats just to give like a good coverage. And while that is drying, I took one of these wooden heart cutouts. It's so gorgeous. It's nested hearts, hearts within hearts. So I'm painting the same white chalk paint on top of it, and I let it dry, and my wooden sign is all dried. And I'm taking Mod Podge, and I'm going to draw the Mod Podge in a heart shape and spread it with the paintbrush. And I'm going to stick this beautiful pink doily on top of this Mod Podge surface. My secret word is romantic pink. I'm finding the right spot to place this beautiful pink doily. It is so gorgeous. I can't even tell how much I'm loving this pink and white together. And the doily was like a little bit thicker, so it's taking longer to get stuck to the background. And I'm pouring a little bit of Mod Podge in the edges, and I'm also brushing it so it sticks well. I let it dry for a few minutes, and I'm going to stick this beautiful nested heart on top of this beautiful doily, and I'm just placing it little below the center. So I have a plan to do something on the top, so I just wanted to place it there. I have the Shabby Chic bow that I created for another project, and I'm going to repurpose it, and taking a dab of a hot glue, I'm sticking in the center. This is basically a bunch of white lace, pink lace, and white and pink satin, and some farmhouse ribbon, and that will also serve the purpose of hanging on the wall. And I have this beautiful pink flower, and I stuck that in this nested heart, and I'm also going to stick one pink pearl in the center to complete the whole look of it. So what do you think? I should stop or decorate more? I think I'm going to stop. So you have to let me know in the comment section. So this is what it looks after it is completely done. It is so gorgeous. I'm just loving this. You have to let me know what you think about it. On to DIY number 4. For this, I'm going to repurpose one of the crafts that I did for Christmas, and this is a beautiful red truck carrying a Christmas tree, and I'm going to paint this red truck into pink and convert this into a Valentine themed project. So again, I'm taking this beautiful Art Minds chalk paint, pink color, and I'm painting all over the truck just like so. And I went with 2 or 3 coats to get like nice coverage. And I'm going to let it dry, and while it's drying I'm going to work on one of this shiny heart, and it's bulky, and I took a couple of them and I'm painting white chalk paint. I'm coating in the chalk paint and I'm going to let it dry. And my pink truck is all dry, and I'm going to draw the wheels with this black Sharpie, and also going to draw hearts in the wheels so it looks like a romantic Valentine truck, right? My secret word is romantic pink. Please add that in the comment section to get into the giveaway. I found the exact spot where the truck should go, and taking a dab of a hot glue, and I'm going to stick on this beautiful green frame. Look how gorgeous that pink and green looks together. I'm just loving this. And I'm going to attach this painted heart on one corner just like that, and this is a sticker, pink color Valentine sticker. I'm going to stick on the back side of the truck, and this is how it looks. So gorgeous. Now this Valentine truck needs a bow, isn't it? I pulled one of the strand from burlap ribbon, and I got the same length, the baker's twine, pink and white. I'm making a hand bow just like that with the jute twine, pink color, and also baker's twine, and I'm going to overlap on top of each other. Taking a dab of a hot glue, right now I'm sticking this pink jute bow on the truck just like that, and I'm also going to stick the baker's twine bow on top of it, and I'm also attaching one tiny pearl from the pearl ribbon strand on top of it. And I'm sticking one of this cute sticker which says you and me are meant to be in an angle near the white bulky heart, using dab of a hot glue just like that. This looks beautiful at this point. I also thought like the heart needs some more decor, and I pulled 2 of this pink berries from the berry string, and I'm attaching it on top of the heart just like that. So what do you think? Let me know in the comment section. On to DIY number 5. This is actually a cute topiary I'm going with, and this is one of the shiny hearts from Dollar Tree, and I'm pulling one of it, and I'm going to take this cute flower pot which came in like a grow yourself kit, and I washed, and I'm going to use this because it already has this beautiful pink tone to it. And for this one heart, I'm going to take this beautiful white and green yarn that I got from Hobby Lobby long time back. It's actually a soft baby yarn, and I'm taking a strand of it and trying to twine it all around just like so. It took like 2 layers to get this nice beautiful white and green color. Took a piece of a styrofoam and stuck it on the base with a dab of a hot glue, and I chalk painted one of the stickers which is like pink stones and pearls on it, and I'm just sticking with a dab of a hot glue on top of the flower pot just like so. After the sticker is stuck, this is how it looks. Taking a dab of a hot glue, I'm making a hole in the styrofoam, and I'm inserting this twined heart into that, and now it needs a little bit of Spanish moss, and I'm going to take a little bit of Spanish moss and stick it with hot glue around it just like so. The extra Spanish moss needs a haircut, and I'm using scissor all around it. Isn't this gorgeous? I'm loving it so far. Now I have this beautiful bow from the same hearts, and I'm going to stick it on the top here just like so. So you let me know what you think about it. This is the final reveal. of all my beautiful romantic DIYs. And this is the centerpiece. I'm just in love with this. Like you saw the process, I painted white and I attached this pink heart-shaped doily on top of it. And this is another beautiful heart within hearts and painted white with flower and some pearl string. And this is one of the rustic shabby chic bow with wooden flower in the center, and the hanging part is basically one of the cotton ribbon farmhouse style. And this is so gorgeous. This is a shabby chic heart, so let me know what you think about it. And this is cute teddy bear in the same pink tone, and he glows. He's actually a lantern. The same mesh ribbon, green and pink as his bows, and I attached one of this pearl string as a center decor. And he's holding a beautiful plumpy heart, and I just dulled it down with some white paint. It was too shiny for me, and I gave like beautiful pink satin ribbon with some pearl berries, and he's done. And he's sitting on top of a heart razor with some shabby chic bow. So yeah, this is one of it. And this cute DIY I used for Christmas, and I painted the truck pink and wheels white, and some of the stickers I stuck on back of the truck, and one of this beautiful plumpy heart with two pink berries, and I stuck you and me aren't meant to be, and some bow. Yeah, this is one of it that I'm very much in love with it. You have to let me know what you think about it. And this one is cute topiary, and this is actually one of the flower part that came with, you know, grow your kit kind of thing. This already has this beautiful pink paint. I didn't have to work much. And this is actually one of the pearl string I painted white and stuffed some styrofoam and some Spanish moss. And this is one of the shiny heart, and I actually yarn twined around the heart the green color to go with the theme. And this bow was already from the same pink heart. I attached it back, and this is such a cute topiary, and this could be one of the mini for tier tray as well, and this too. And this is another sign that I'm very much happy with. It's called like beautiful pink roses everywhere, and I painted this one natural wood into a green to match the color scheme of the background, and I gave like the same mesh ribbon bow, pink and green, and cute pink bow in the center and garland everywhere. So this is another one that I'm very much in love with, so you have to let me know what you think about it. These are a few of the romantic DIYs I wanted to share with you all today. I hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, I hope you'd consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today. I'll see you again.